Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 3.2% in the last session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair rose 0.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Aussie-dollar pair rose 0.9% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Alibaba Group Holding is said to lead a new funding round of Chinese artificial intelligence startup Minimax, according to an investor familiar with the matter, as the e-commerce giant continues to bet on innovative mainland enterprises similar to ChatGPT creator OpenAI. European shares were subdued ahead of key Eurozone economic data and congressional testimony from US Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, while upbeat earnings offset losses on the index. Crypto funds reached a record-breaking trading volume of more than $30 billion last week, according to a new report from CoinShares. Crypto investment products also attracted $1.84 billion in weekly inflows, with nearly 95% of that amount going to funds based on the world's leading cryptocurrency, Bitcoin.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's trade balance will be released at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Germany's factory orders at 0700 hours GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 1330 GMT. The US unit labour costs will be released at 1330 GMT. Australia's imports at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Finland's trade balance at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.